Hey, I hope your Netipot finds you well. I normally like to say that first rinse your Netipot before you start using it. So using warm water and vinegar together, give it a nice rinse. And then when you have been using it for a while, do it like every week or something. Otherwise, just the warm water is enough. So what I do, I mix it not all the way up, but about halfway. Put hot water and then a little bit mineral salt. I am using pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, depending on what I have available. Anyway, as long as it's mineral salt, that's fine. Fine salt dissolves to the water, of course, quicker. If it's bigger flakes that I like to use, then it takes a little bit longer. So let the salt sit for a while in the cup before you use it. Before you start, make sure that your sinuses are clean. So if you have a blocked nose, you won't be able to do it. Mainly the reason to do this is just to clean your nasal tracts. So every day we are out there, there's dust in the air, there's pollution in the air, and you don't really want to hold that all in. So flushing the nose is a great way to keep your sinuses clear and avoid any bacteria infections in your body. So how do I do this? It looks a little strange, but the thing is that first of all, relax yourself. So when I'm relaxed, the water flows much better. I'm going to put my head tilted down, put this little thing on one of my nostrils, and the water will flow out from the other side. It's just going through here and coming back from the other side. Keep breathing slowly while you are doing this. So it's the breath that relaxes your face, relaxes your body, allows the water to flow down. I like to normally use a bush or a something when I do it. So we have here now a nice little palm tree that I'm going to be watering with my Netipot. You can do this, of course, on top of the sink as well. I just prefer to be outside. So here we go. I tilt my head. I put this one on one nostril. Take a few deep inhales and go ahead. So that's as easy as that. After you use this, hang it down somewhere upside down so all the water gets to get out. And go and do this every day, and I'm sure you will feel much more brighter in your headspace. Namaste and enjoy your Netipot. Any questions, give me an email. Bye.